Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to send Solana from your Metamask wallet to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step instructions. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready to go. Start by opening your Metamask extension in your browser. If you haven't already added Solana support, you'll need to install a compatible extension or use a bridge tool, as Metamask is primarily for Ethereum networks. Once that's done, double-check that you have some Solana tokens in your Metamask account. If not, you might need to acquire them through an exchange and transfer them in first. Next, head over to your Arculus Wallet app or device. This is a secure hardware wallet, so ensure it's properly connected and unlocked. Now, generate or copy your Arculus wallet address for Solana. It's crucial to get this right. Always verify the address to avoid any mishaps. Back in Metamask, select the Solana network from your wallet settings. Then, go to the Send tab, paste the Arculus wallet address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the transaction fees and network details before confirming. Hit send, and watch the magic happen. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, you should see your Solana appear in your Arculus wallet. This whole process might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll seamlessly transfer your Solana in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.